In this video, we're diving into an upgraded version of the well-known SuperTrend indicator, which can actually serve as a buy-sell tool. This new version generates highly accurate buy and sell signals, making it perfect for building a profitable strategy. So without further delay, let's jump right in. To add this indicator to your chart, head over to TradingView, which is the platform I usually use. If you haven't signed up yet, you'll find the link in the video description. Next, load the 5-minute time frame of BTC USD. Though keep in mind this strategy works across different assets and time frames. Then click on Indicators and search for SuperTrended RSI by Algo Alpha, my favorite author. Big shout out to them. For the second complementary indicator, search for SuperTrended Moving Average by this amazing author. Now let's talk about the SuperTrended RSI. This indicator blends the traditional RSI with a SuperTrend calculation, offering a more dynamic market analysis. Looking at its features, you'll see a SuperTrend line that shifts colors between bright teal and bright red. Then there's the RSI moving average, displayed as a gray oscillator. The center line is the midline, while the top and bottom lines represent the overbought and oversold levels. Whenever the RSI dips below the oversold line, it suggests the market might be oversold, triggering a blue upward buy signal. This upward arrow signifies a potential buying opportunity. Conversely, when the RSI oscillator crosses above the overbought level, it suggests the market might be overbought, printing a red downward arrow that signals a potential sell opportunity. Diving into the settings, you have options to adjust the different RSI components, like length and smoothing length. The moving average settings let you modify the MA length, RSI smoothing length, and MA type. Further down, you'll find the SuperTrend settings, where you can tweak the factor and ATR length. For this video, the only setting that needs changing is disabling the Show RSI Moving Average option, since we won't be using it. Once that's done, just click OK. To trade using this indicator, we'll follow its buy and sell signals. These signals highlight trend reversals, pullbacks, or retracements within ongoing trends. However, we can't rely on this indicator alone. Instead, we'll combine it with the SuperTrended Moving Average, which serves as a trend confirmation tool. A green ribbon signals a bullish trend, while a red ribbon signals a bearish trend. To fine-tune it, double-click on the indicator and change the moving average length to 200. Then hit OK. Before we get into the trade execution, I want to answer one of the most common questions you asked me in the comment section. How can you get funded and bring more money into trading while you know the game and you already have a good strategy, or you can find and use one on my channel, but you don't have that money? Let me tell you about it. And to do that, I want to hand you over to my dear friend, Michael.
Unlock your trading potential with FundedX. If you're ready to elevate your trading game to new heights, look no further than FundedX, the ultimate platform for promising traders worldwide. Trade up to $300,000 on a FundedX account and earning up to 95 the profits. Sounds enticing, right? But that's just the beginning. With FundedX, you're not just trading. You're paving your way to success alongside a community of over 81,000 funded traders spanning across 195 countries. Enjoy the best trading conditions in the game with FundedX. You get raw spreads and the lowest commissions, ensuring every trade works in your favor. Don't miss out on this opportunity by clicking the link above or down in the description to be part of a dynamic community shaping the future of trading. The world of trading is yours for the taking. Seize it with FundedX.
Now back to the strategy. For a long trade, the first step is confirming that the market is in a bullish trend. This is done by checking if the trend ribbon on the SuperTrended moving average is green. The second and final step is waiting for a buy signal from the SuperTrended RSI, indicated by a green upward arrow. This means the market has pulled back within a bullish trend, increasing the likelihood of upward movement. Once these conditions are met, we enter a long trade. The stop loss is placed below the most recent swing low, and we set a profit target using a 1-to-2 risk-reward ratio. Here's another example of a long trade. As you can see, the green trend ribbon signaled a bullish market, and within this uptrend, the SuperTrend oscillator dropped below the oversold level, printing a buy signal. This suggests the price may continue moving up. So we enter a long trade, placing our stop loss below the latest swing low and setting our take profit at a 1-to-2 risk-to-reward ratio. I want to dive into short examples as well, but before that, I want to introduce you to my trading family at Bybit.
Welcome aboard our crypto arc where dreams meet freedom. Join us on this journey as we empower crypto believers with knowledge and tools to achieve their goals. And guess what? We're just getting started in this world of endless possibilities. Click the link below to join us now. Enjoy 0 fees on spot trading for the first 30 days and a chance to win up to 30,000 USDT in deposit rewards. Join Bybit today and ride the wave of crypto success.
Alright, for short trades, we simply reverse the process. First, we confirm that the market is in a bearish trend, indicated by a red trend ribbon from the SuperTrend and moving average. Then, we wait for a pullback, which occurs when the SuperTrend oscillator crosses above the overbought level and the prints a sell signal. This suggests that after the pullback, the price may continue downward. Once confirmed, we enter a short trade, setting the stop loss above the most recent swing high and aiming for a 1-to-2 risk-reward ratio for take profit. This strategy works exceptionally well for scalping on lower time frames. However, like all trading strategies, it won't win 100% of the time. Losers are just part of the game, but with proper risk management, strategies like this can be very profitable. To further improve results, consider incorporating price action concepts like rejections at key support and resistance levels to validate your signals. And to do that, you can just watch the recommended videos on your screen, plus the ones I've already showed you how to turn any trading strategy, including this one, into a fully automated bot with alerts, all for free. That's it for today's video. If you found this helpful, hit the like button and consider subscribing for more content. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.